Meet Maya. She's 4 years old and loves exploring her colorful neighborhood. Maya is brave and curious, but sometimes grown-ups do things that make her feel uncomfortable.
Oh, Maya, you're so adorable.
Ow, that hurts a little. Such rosy cheeks. Bunny and I are having a tea party.
What a cute toy. Let me see it better. But I was playing with Bunny.
Maya, come give me a big hug.
I don't really want to hug right now. Come on, don't be shy. Bobo, I don't like when grown-ups do things that make me uncomfortable, but I don't know what to say.
Maya, it's okay to speak up. Your feelings matter, and there's a special way to tell grown-ups how you feel. Here's the magic phrase. I feel, when, please, can you? It helps you tell grown-ups your feelings in a kind way.
I feel, when, please, can you? That sounds nice and polite. Exactly. Now let's go practice with those grown-ups. Mrs. Jenkins, I feel uncomfortable when you pinch my cheeks hard. Please, can you give me a gentle high five instead?
Oh, Maya, I'm so sorry. Of course, high five it is.
Mr. Carlos, I feel sad when you take my toy without asking. Please, can you ask me first next time?
You're absolutely right, Maya. I should have asked. Here's your bunny back, and I'll always ask first from now on.
Ms. Rivera, I feel uncomfortable when I have to hug when I don't want to. Please, can we wave hello instead?
Of course, Maya. Thank you for telling me. Waves are wonderful too.
Hi, Tommy. Do you want to learn a magic phrase that helps you tell grown-ups how you feel? You can say, I feel, when, please, can you? It's like magic for speaking up nicely.
Maya learned it's always okay to speak up about her feelings. And now she's helping other children too.
Remember, your feelings matter. It's okay to speak up, and it's always good to express how you feel.
Please subscribe to our channel for more videos!